Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Anaya Quran Academy. I am online Quran teacher, and if you want to teach your children Quran Pak with proper tajweed, you can contact us. Thank you. Today we will continue our previous lesson. So in this lesson we will learn the joining letters. So let's start our today's lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Our first letter is Ra. Ra. Next, Za. Za. Next one. Here is the short form of Ya because it has two dots at the bottom connected with Ra. Ya, Ra. Ya, Ra. Here is the short form of Ta because it has two dots at the top connected with Za. Ta, Za. Ta, Za. Sin. Sin. Shin. Shin. Here is first one is short form of Sin connected with Lam. So we will read Sin Lam. Sin Lam. Next is Shin Lam. Shin Lam. Sod. Please remember, green letters are bold letters. Sod. Dod. Dod. Ta. Ta. Za. Za. Here is the short form of Sod connected with Ba. Sod, Ba. Sod, Ba. Ta, Ba. Ta, Ba. Dod, Alif. Dod, Alif. It is Za connected with Alif. Za, Alif. Za, Alif. Ain. Ain. Ghain. Ghain. Hamza. Hamza. Please remember, Hamza comes from the bottom of the throat. Hamza. Hamza. First one is the short form of Ain connected with Za. Ain, Za. Ain, Za. It looks like Hamza, but we cannot connect Hamza with any other letter. Please remember, Hamza always comes alone. Ghain, Ra. Ghain, Ra. It is the short form of Sad connected with Ain. Here is Ain in different shape. Sad, Ain. Sad, Ain. First one is the short form of Dod connected with Ghain. Dod, Ghain. ضاد غين. Next is first one is the short form of ba, then the short form of ain connected with dal. So we will read ba ain dal, ba ain dal. It is the short form of ta because it has two dots at the top. Then the short form of ghain connected with the zal. Ta ghain zal, ta ghain zal. Hamza alif, hamza alif, hamza waw, hamza waw, hamza ya, hamza ya. Fa, fa, qaf, qaf. Qaf is a thick letter. Next is waw, waw. First one is the short form of qaf connected with waw. Qaf, waw, qaf, waw. Fa, waw, fa, waw. Here is the short form of fa, then the short form of qaf connected with lam. Fa, qaf, lam. Fa, qaf, lam. Qaf, fa, lam. Qaf, fa, lam. Here is the short form of ya connected with fa. Ya, fa, ya, fa. Mim, mim. Again, mim, mim. First one is the short form of ha connected with mim. Ha, mim, ha, mim. Lam, mim, lam, mim. Ta, mim, ta, mim, ta, mim, ta, ta, mim, ta. Our today's lesson is completed now. If you have any question, you can ask in comment section. And we will learn our next lesson very soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.